right, time for a car wash. Let me clean the front for a bit. I'll get all them bugs off. Oh, man. All right, one pedal driving off. And in we go. Boy, thousands of bugs on the grill. Thousands and thousands of bugs. Let's get rid of those. All right. Now, let's get this thing washed. Get her back to looking nice. Back the way it should be. Oh, it's a really good car wash. Really good. I have a monthly subscription. I think I pay $21 a month, and it's unlimited. They got free vacuums off over here to the left. And these guys do a great job. I soap it up every time, and then they come along with some big bug wash or whatever it is. They come along, throw her in neutral, and that's it. He's gonna help scrape off some more of them bugs. Get it on here on the window. There you go. I don't know, we did a little bit of driving last night. My wife and I did some DoorDash, and I never realized we must be in the bug season or something, because boy, I should have taken a picture of what it looked like. Woo. It was bad. It was bad. This ought to take care of the problems. They do such a good job here. And I am not going to stop and vacuum. And I just vacuumed the car the other day. It's good and clean for Uber driving or whatever. But the bugs last night were just horrendous. So that's what we're working on today. Let's get rid of them bugs. I kind of wish there wasn't a car in front of us, and we would kind of show you a little bit here as it blow dries the car. They do such a good job. You can see the post at the end. The drying is still going on. It's just finishing up. And it's saying relax, drying in process. And then the bottom two will flash here at the bottom. Go, and looking good, sexy, it says. I don't know if you can see them lights flashing in there or not, but we're good to go. Put her in D, and off we go. All right, so off here to the left, let's see if I can get a good picture of them. There is 2 rows of dryers, vacuums, and you can wash your windshield. I'm not gonna do it today. My car is clean inside. But they got rags. You can dry your car off if it's a little bit damp. It's a really nice setup. Really, really nice setup. So I'll get back with you here in just a minute. Stand by. Okay, I should have taken a before and after picture because, boy, the front was just covered in bugs. Something fierce. But got them all off, and Thor's all clean and raring to go. All right, you guys take care, be safe, make good choices.